Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to try and help kickstart your day. And here's your quote. Stop complaining. Being an adult is easy. Pay your bills, don't smoke meth, keep a few close friends, wear deodorant, and always tip your bartender. Why do people want to make their lives so hard? Why do people cause so much drama in their own lives as well as others? It can all be simple. Pay your bills on time. Don't do drugs. Keep those you love closest. Make sure to look after those who look after you. And 100%, please do wear deodorant. Please just do that. Life can be simple, but only if you want to make it that way.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.